Hello, and welcome to this explainer on the powerful custom math feature in Stylish Cost Calculator. Custom math allows you to add and subtract, multiply, divide, and use percentages to create dynamic and custom pricing calculations for your products or services. Think of custom math as a tool that adds extra flexibility to your calculators. Here's why it's useful. Set base prices, showcase your core service costs clearly. Calculate recurring costs, easily convert annual prices into monthly installments. Add fees, incorporate shipping charges or other fees into the final price. Conditional logic, apply extra charges or discounts only when certain conditions are met, like when a specific service is selected, for instance. How to use custom math. Let's set up a basic extra fee calculation. Create a calculator and add elements like a drop-down menu for your service options. Set prices for each service in the drop-down. Click Add Element and choose Custom Math. Give it a name, like Extra Fee, and select your operator. Choose a fixed amount or percentage for your fee. Use conditional logic to trigger the fee based on factors like service selection, quantity, or other calculator elements. Decide if you want the math visible on the calculator or in detailed reports. See? Custom Math works automatically to give your customers accurate pricing. Now let's look at some use cases. Service add-ons charge extra for premium features or rush processing. Volume discounts offer lower prices for larger orders. Location-based fees automatically add taxes or shipping based on a customer's location. Custom math is a powerful way to create accurate pricing in any scenario. To experiment and explore even more possibilities, try out the demo on stylishcostcalculator.com. Thanks for watching.